Till vad? Ligger Djurgården nu?
Ja, så inte naturligt. Nej, de ligger.
Han ligger inte på bordet, så det ska jag läsa själv.
Energi nu, här är killar!
Oliver.
My name is Johnny Carver-John, and I play left wing, right wing, or up top. And I play for Bethesda Bowling Academy in America.
Tack.
What'd you say? Name and where you're from?
Said his name and where you're from and which team you play with or something like that. Okay.
Hi, my name is Bart Luther Waffle. I'm from Douala, Cameroon. Play center back. Play Division I college at Underwood University. Wait, did you get my name in the beginning? I don't think. Hi, my name is Bart Luther Waffle. From Douala, Cameroon. Play center back. And I'm currently playing Division I soccer in the United States from Underwood University.
Back!
Susan Maemmanuel, Al-Amir et Strider.